Hi everyone, I'm Will. Have you ever been swimming or tubing in a river and seen trash? 'Cause I have. One example is my family and I were tubing down the Battenkill River in the summer, and I saw what looked like a pair of sunglasses. When I dove down, I did not have any goggles, so I was just feeling around. And instead of picking up the sunglasses, I picked up a slimy beer can, and it was disgusting. According to the most recent surveys on national water quality from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, nearly half of our rivers and streams and more than 1/3 of our lakes are polluted and not able for swimming, fishing, and drinking. If we keep this up, the numbers will keep going up until we can't stop them, and our rivers, streams, and lakes are all polluted and unusable. Now, what I want to do is create an organization that cleans up rivers in the U.S. weekly, and any bottles and cans that we get, we will exchange them for money and donate them to a charity. Another way I could do this is to create fishing line recycling bins and bottle and can recycling bins and put them on the sides of rivers. I think this will help pollution because people will have a place to put their trash and unwanted fishing gear instead of throwing it in the river and hurting the environment. In conclusion, I want to clean up rivers for good, so our future generations don't have to deal with it. Now, let me leave with this. Stop littering. You're ruining the environment and nobody likes it.